At this point, you've probably finished reading your classic novel. Did you enjoy it? Especially when you go to Spark Notes and you learn how to read classic literature by studying the plain language review and summary of that piece of literature. It makes it so much fun to read the language when I don't have to worry about what the language is saying because I've already read the summary, and it makes it just, I can enjoy the style. Now it's time to start the research phase. I hear from students all the time that when they start this phase, they get a little stuck because when going to Google and typing in a request for the title, they come up with Spark Notes, Cliff's Notes, and other obstacles. So let's look at how to refine that search to get the kinds of articles that we need for a college level research essay. The first two words are important because I want to find critical articles about my title, which is Hamlet. Now, what is a critical article? That is something that is written by a scholar, a journalist, somebody from a university who's writing a thesis or dissertation. Those are articles, and they're critical because they are investigating something about that piece of literature, the theme, the characters, the motif, any number of things. So let's see what happens if I type critical article and then my title. Now look what we have. We have all sorts of wonderful articles that are written from sources other than Spark Notes and so forth. Now we have to eliminate some things. This one's a blog. We can't use a blog. You probably know more than the blog writer knows, so we can't use that. This one's good. This is from a university, so that one's good. We go on down, literaryness.org. Well, all right, that's okay. Wikipedia, can't use that, although if we have to, we can go to Wikipedia and see what sources they use. But gosh, there's so many things written down about this. Now here are some major themes. If I'm looking for the theme, let's just see what happens there. When I clicked down on that, here are some articles that there's a New Yorker, that's awesome. Shakespeare articles, BL, that's probably good. British Library. You see that? You see how instead of typing in just something generic in Google, I'm being really specific by writing in critical articles, and that will help me find the collegiate worthy expository articles that I need to write this essay.